Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's Uncle Rusty back here with you today. And we're back up here in the workhouse, about to get finished up. Putting these door stoppers in today. So I said, well, why not make a video on it and use my SOG multi-tool to put it in. So we're gonna go, I think it was 27. All these might be a little different, so you'll have to measure according to your door. Yeah, I'm gonna go about 28 and a half. No, I'm gonna go at 28. Let's do 28. 28 will be right here. Okay, where that little mark at. Alright. Let's see if this will work first. Putting it into the baseboard. I lost my spot again. I know I'll put it on 28 and a half. No, we'll do it 28. It's that line right there. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right here, roughly, and just screw it in. You guys can see. And this stuff don't have to be hard. You can use a drill. I got a drill out there, but I want it to be precise. And I wanted to see if this little multi-tool would work pretty good, honestly. And it's getting it in there. Not stripping anything. Now this will keep me from putting any holes in the wall anymore. I'm opening the door and it's swinging wide open. It won't be smacking the wall and having to put drywall back over it and paint it again every time. That gets old. There we go. That looks good. Now you take this little spring right here. Let me get close up on it. So you take this little spring right here. You just hook it down in there like that and twist it. Just twist it till it gets tight. Hand tight, it'll go and get hand tight. Now let's test her out. Alright. Perfect. Alright, you guys. Now, God loves you, so do I. Stay blessed.